Good morning, grade 1 and 2. I hope you had a great weekend and Mother's Day with your family. Let's get started with our morning routine and morning message. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. As you can see, it was Mother's Day yesterday. I hope you had a chance to spoil your moms. Tomorrow, it looks like it's McKenna's birthday, so we will have to wish her a happy birthday in our Google Meet tomorrow. This week we have a full week of learning. Just to note, 1 week from today we have no school because it is May long weekend. How many days have we been in school? We are going to add one more, and I knew that this was coming because I said it on Friday. I think we have 10 in the ones column. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do. What happens when you have 10 in the ones column? You need to delete them, and you need to turn it into a tens block, and that tens block needs to live in the tens column. If we were to write this out, we know that this guy is worth 100. These guys are worth 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we have 0 in the ones column, which equals 150 days we have been in school for. That means we're going to have some switches on our next pages for sure. Tallies. We can add a 5 and delete our 4. Today is the 150th day of school. Okay, big money change. We are going to add one more penny, and we know that once we have 5 pennies, we can turn it into a nickel. So let's do that, and then let's see if we have any other switches. Well, we're going to add a nickel. Now, these two guys with the boats, what are they called? You're right, they're called dimes, and they are worth 10. So if we were to count them up, we would go 10, 20, and we have a nickel, which is 5. So 10, 20 plus 5 is 25 cents. 2 dimes and 1 nickel equals 25 cents. So we can delete these two, and we can add in a quarter. This is what $1.50 looks like. Good job if you already knew that. Let's head up to our morning message. Okay, it says, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. I hope you had a fabulous weekend spoiling your moms. This week, we are going to learn a little bit about farms. Have you ever been to a farm? What is your favorite farm animal? Let us know in Google Hangouts. Love, Miss McLeod. Okay, there are 3 mistakes today. There's something that's missing at the end of a sentence. There's something that's missing at the beginning of a sentence, and there is a word that is spelt wrong that I'm sure you've seen before. Try and find them. If you can't, just follow along with me. Okay, here we go. Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. I hope you had a fabulous weekend spoiling your moms. Ooh, it says this, I can tell right away this is the capital, which means this has to be the end of a sentence. I'm going to put an exclamation mark on end of this sentence because it's an exciting sentence for me. I hope you had a fabulous weekend spoiling your moms. This week, we are going to learn a little bit about farms. Have you ever been to a farm? Looks like this W needs a capital because we have a question mark here. What is your favorite farm animal? Something looks wrong with animal here. If you didn't find it the first time around, can you try and guess what is wrong with it now? If you guessed that this U should be an A, you are correct. So good job. Let us know in Google Hangouts. Let us know. That's where you can go and type in our Google Chats what your favorite farm animal is. It's just a good way to say good morning to everybody and stay connected with your classmates. I'd love to see some of you answering the questions there. Then it says, love Miss McLeod. Okay, let's head up to our vocabulary word. Vocabulary word of the day is squid. Squid. What do you think a squid is? I think most of you will know that one. Check it out on our linked vocabulary word underneath this link. This week in language arts, we are going to do some activities, some reading and listening, and those types of things, all about farms. And in math this week, we are going to use our knowledge of place value and our addition strategies that we've been working so hard on. And we are going to start to explore adding 2-digit numbers. Now, this is especially for the grade 2s. Grade 1s, because you're in a combined class with grade 2s, you have gotten a little bit extra math and those types of things just because that's the bonus you get when you're in a combined class. If you're struggling with the 2-digit addition activities this week in math, let me know and I can find some other ones, other simpler activities for you. But I think because we've been doing this all year, they will be a good challenge and you will be able to handle them. I want to say let's have a great week together, and I can't wait to connect with you and some of your parents this week. Have a great Monday.